If you're considering Monday.com for social media management and analytics, there are 12 key things you should know before making your purchase. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, it's important to understand what this tool offers and how it compares to other popular software like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, and Buffer. Stay tuned as we break it all down. First, Monday.com is an intuitive platform that streamlines project management, and it also covers social media management and analytics. Unlike its competitors, Monday.com provides a customizable workspace that can be tailored to your unique needs. It's flexible, so you can create workflows that fit your team's processes, but this flexibility might be overwhelming if you're looking for a quick solution. The second thing to know is its ease of use. The user interface is simple and clean, but it does take a bit of time to fully grasp all of the tools. If you're familiar with other project management tools, you'll probably pick it up quickly. But compared to specialized social media tools like Buffer, Monday.com has more steps to manage your social posts. The third thing you need to know is its robust integrations. Monday.com integrates with more than 40 apps, including the usual suspects like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. This feature allows you to manage all your social media channels in one place, but it can feel a bit clunky when compared to the more streamlined integrations of dedicated social media tools. Next thing to consider is automation. Monday.com offers automation to help streamline repetitive tasks, which can save you a lot of time. For example, you can set it to notify you when a post is due or automatically assign tasks to your team. However, tools like Hootsuite and Sprout Social offer more advanced automation specific to social media tasks. The fifth thing you should know is how Monday.com handles analytics. It offers basic reporting features like tracking engagement and performance metrics. While these features are useful, they're not as deep or comprehensive as some of the other analytics-heavy platforms like Sprout Social or Buffer. Another thing to keep in mind is its pricing. Monday.com offers several pricing tiers, but it can get expensive, especially if you need access to advanced features. For smaller businesses, this might be more than you need, while tools like Buffer can give you similar features at a more affordable price. The seventh thing to know is the team collaboration tools. Monday.com shines in this area, allowing teams to collaborate efficiently on social media content. You can assign tasks, communicate in real time, and share files directly within the platform. However, specialized social media tools tend to have more collaboration features directly tied to social media posts. The eighth thing is the content calendar. Monday.com includes a content calendar, which makes it easier to schedule and plan your social media content. However, when compared to Buffer's more refined scheduling tools, Monday.com's calendar can feel a bit basic. Next, Monday.com's customer support is top-notch. Whether you're dealing with a technical issue or need guidance on how to use a feature, their customer service is responsive and helpful. That said, platforms like Sprout Social have more social media-specific support, making it easier for social media managers to get the help they need right away. The 10th thing to know is Monday.com's mobile app. The mobile version is highly functional and lets you manage tasks on the go, but it lacks the same polish and functionality as its desktop version. In comparison, apps from social media-focused tools like Hootsuite tend to be smoother and more refined. The 11th thing to consider is its scalability. Monday.com is great for growing teams and businesses. As your social media needs expand, you can scale your workflows accordingly. While this flexibility is a plus, it can feel unnecessary if you're only managing a small number of social media accounts. And finally, you should know that Monday.com is a great choice if you're looking for an all-in-one platform for project management and social media management. It covers a broad range of tasks, but may lack the niche features dedicated tools provide. So, while Monday.com is a solid option for social media management, if you want a platform that's more focused and packed with specific social media tools, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see how it compares.